And going around my yard, pulling out these little thorny plants that give you these little guys, these little, if we can focus on that. These are those pokey plants that you want nothing to do with. They have the little thorns on them. Here's the little pokey plants. If you have pets or you like to walk around barefoot in your yard or property, these are the worst to have in the yard, because these little suckers put out these spike covered little seed pods that just get everywhere, get stuck in your dog's paws, and they're not fun to step on barefooted. So what I do, we just had a couple summer rains, so I go through the yard and pull these out by hand, each one on over an acre. And this is the best way to get rid of these little guys. You have to go through and find them before they start putting out those little pokey fucking thorns. But this is what I do. Find them and then pull them out. Here's another one. You pull them by the base so you don't get thorn in your finger, but kind of hard to avoid. But you can see that some of these plants have a similar leaf structure, and those aren't the ones you want to get. This is the one you want to get here. See, right next to one with a similar leaf structure that ain't what you're looking for, but this is it. If you get them small, there's no pokies on them. They're easy to pull. So I take these, I put them in my fire pit. Here we go. Let's burn those suckers.